We can see various objects in shapes of cone, cube, cuboid, cylinder, sphere, triangular pyramid and prism. We can classify the objects according to the shapes. We will now try to find the formulae and methods of finding the surface area and volume of some of these objects. Now see, here we have a cone which is cut through a card sheet. Now if we unfold this, this is how the cone was formed. Now what we will try to do is, we will fold this and try to make as many pieces as possible through this same card sheet piece. Now we have got these small pieces of the card sheet. Now let's try to arrange them in an order. Now can you see a rectangle here? Let's name this rectangle as P, Q, R and S. Area of the cone is equal to area of the rectangle, which is equal to SR into QR, that is pi R into L, which is pi RL. Therefore, total surface area is equal to curved surface area is equal to area of the base is equal to pi RL plus pi R square, which gives us pi R into the bracket L plus R. Now let us make a cone and a cylinder with card sheet. To get the formula for the volume of cone, we are going to make use of this cylinder. We know how to calculate the volume of cylinder. So using this, we are going to calculate the formula for this cone. Now I have this rangoli, this cone and this cylinder with me. The height and radius of this cone and cylinder are similar. Now using this rangoli, we will try to find out how many cones of rangoli is required to fill this cylinder completely. Let's start. Let's begin. I'll pour this rangoli in this cone and then into the cylinder. Here goes the first cone. Second cone. Third cone. To fill the cylinder completely, we require total 3 cones of the rangoli powder. In other words, we can say volume of cylinder is equal to 3 into volume of cone. Pi R squared H is equal to 3 into volume of cone. Therefore, volume of a cone is equal to 1 upon 3 into pi R squared H. Let us solve a few examples based on this concept. Find the curved surface area and total surface area of a cone if the radius of its base is 12 cm and slant height is 20 cm. Solution: given R is equal to 12 cm and L is equal to 20 cm. To find curved surface area and total surface area. Curved surface area of a cone is equal to pi RL is equal to 22 by 7 multiplied by 12 multiplied by 20 is equal to 22 by 7 into 240. Therefore, curved surface area is equal to 754.29 square centimeter. Total surface area of a cone is equal to pi R multiplied by into the bracket L plus R is equal to 22 by 7 into 12 into the bracket 20 plus 12 is equal to 22 by 7 multiplied by 12 into 32 is equal to total surface area is equal to 1206.6 0.86 square centimeter. Second example. A cone has base radius 5 cm and slant height 13 cm. Now find its volume. Solution. Given R is equal to 5 cm, L is equal to 13 cm. To find volume V of the cone. To find the volume, we need to find out the height. What is h? To get this, let's use Pythagoras theorem. L square is equal to h square plus r square. Therefore, 13 square is equal to h square plus 5 square. H square is equal to 169 minus 25 is equal to 144. H is equal to 12 centimeter. Now, volume of a cone is equal to 1 by 3 multiplied by pi r square h is equal to 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 5 into 5 into 12 is equal to 314.29 centimeter cube. Now let us study the volume and surface area of a sphere. Surface area of a hollow sphere is equal to 4 pi r square. Total surface area of a solid hemisphere is equal to area of the curved surface plus area of the base circle, which is equal to 2 pi r square plus pi r square, which gives us 3 times pi r square. Curved surface area of a hemisphere is equal to 4 into area of a circle is equal to 4 pi r square. Let us make a cone and a hemisphere with card sheet in such a way that radius of the hemisphere is equal to height of the cone is equal to base radius of the cone. Now let us find out how many cones full of rangoli powder it takes to fill the hemisphere. Now we will try to find out the formula to calculate the volume of hemisphere. To do that, we have this hemisphere cut through the card sheet and we will use the cone. Now to get the volume of the hemisphere, let's try to find out how many number of cones filled with rangoli are required to fill this hemisphere completely. Let's begin. I'll pour this rangoli into cone. Here goes the first cone. And this is the second cone. So now we can see that to fill this hemisphere completely, we require 2 cones of rangoli. Now using this, let's try to find out the volume of hemisphere. It takes 2 cones. That means volume of the hemisphere is equal to 2 into volume of the cone, which gives us 2 into 1 upon 3 pi r squared h is equal to 2 upon 3 pi r square into r. Volume of the hemisphere is equal to 2 upon 3 pi r cube. That means volume of a sphere is equal to 2 into volume of hemisphere, which gives us 2 into 2 upon 3 pi r cube, which is equal to 4 upon 3 pi r cube. I hope this formula is clear to you. Let's solve some examples to understand it more clearly. Surface area of a sphere is 50.24 square centimeter. Find its volume. In this case, take pi is equal to 3.14. Solution. Given surface area of sphere is equal to 50.24 square centimeter. To find out volume and r radius. Surface area of a sphere is equal to 4 multiplied by pi r square. Therefore, 50.24 is equal to 4 multiplied by 3.14 multiplied by r square. R square is equal to 50.24 divided by 4 multiplied by 3.14 is equal to 4. Therefore, R is equal to 2 centimeters. Now, volume of a sphere is equal to 4 by 3 multiplied by pi r cube is equal to 4 by 3 multiplied by 3.14 multiplied by 2 cube is equal to 4 by 3 into 3.14 into 8 is equal to 33.49 centimeter cube. Another example. The volume of a hemisphere is 486 pi cubic centimeters. Find its diameter. Solution. Volume of the hemisphere is equal to 486 pi. To find out diameter D. Volume of the hemisphere is equal to 2 by 3 multiplied by pi r cube. Therefore, 486 pi is equal to 2 by 3 multiplied by pi r cube. Therefore, r cube is equal to 3 by 2 into 486. Therefore, r is equal to 9 centimeter. Now, d is equal to 2 times r, which is 2 into 9 equal to 18. The diameter of the hemisphere is 18 centimeter. What did we learn? Shape, curved surface area, total surface area, volume. Cone, curved surface area is equal to pi r L. Total surface area is equal to pi r multiplied by into the bracket L plus r. Volume 1 by 3 multiplied by pi r square h. Solid hemisphere. Curved surface area 2 pi r square. Total surface area 3 pi r square. Volume 2 by 3 multiplied by pi r cube. Sphere. Curved surface area 4 into pi r square. Total surface area is equal to 4 multiplied by pi r square. Volume is equal to 4 by 3 multiplied by pi r cube. Volume of a cone is equal to 1 by 3 multiplied by volume of a cylinder under certain conditions. Volume of a hemisphere is equal to 2 times volume of a cone under certain conditions. Exercise. The radius of a cone is 15 centimeters and its height is 21 centimeters. Find its volume. Find the curved surface area and total surface area of a cone for which r is equal to 4 units and h is equal to 3 units. If the radius of a sphere is 5 centimeters, find its volume and surface area. List 5 day-to-day objects, each in the shape of a cone and a sphere. Design a problem in which curved surface area and total surface area of a hemisphere is to be found.